The AI layoff crisis has already started. Why millions of jobs may disappear faster than expected. Something strange is happening in America in 2026. Companies are still making billions. Stock markets remain near record highs. Artificial intelligence companies are exploding in value. And yet, across the United States, thousands of workers are quietly disappearing from offices. Not factory workers, not only low-skilled jobs, but office workers, marketing teams, customer support, writers, designers, junior programmers, analysts. Even university graduates entering the workforce for the very first time are beginning to feel something terrifying. What if the career they trained for is already becoming obsolete? For years, artificial intelligence felt like science fiction. Now it feels personal, because this time, the machines are not coming for repetitive factory work. They are coming for white-collar jobs, and millions of Americans are beginning to realize something deeply unsettling. The AI layoff crisis may have already started. Part 1. The new wave of fear. For decades, Americans were told that education was the path to safety. Study hard, get a degree, build a career, climb the ladder, and eventually, you would achieve stability. But in 2026, that promise suddenly feels uncertain because artificial intelligence is changing the rules faster than society can adapt. And unlike previous technological revolutions, this one feels different, very different. When factories became automated, many people believed office jobs would remain protected. After all, humans were still needed for creativity, decision-making, communication, strategy. But AI is evolving at breathtaking speed. Today, AI can already write reports, answer customer emails, create advertising campaigns, generate software code, analyze data, design graphics, edit videos, create voices, build presentations, automate workflows, and companies are paying attention because from a business perspective, AI looks irresistible. Part 2. Why corporations love AI. Think about it from the perspective of a corporation. An AI system never sleeps, never asks for vacation, never takes sick leave, never complains, never joins unions, never demands higher salaries. And once developed, it can work endlessly at almost zero additional cost. That changes everything. For many corporations, AI is no longer viewed as a tool. It is viewed as a replacement strategy, a productivity machine, a way to reduce labor costs dramatically. And this is why many workers feel nervous, because deep down, they understand something important. If a company can replace 5 workers with 1 AI-assisted employee, many executives eventually will, not because they are evil, but because capitalism rewards efficiency, and AI may become the greatest efficiency revolution in modern economic history. Part 3. The white-collar shock. What makes this moment especially shocking is WHO is being affected. For years, society assumed that highly educated workers were safe, but AI is attacking the exact jobs many people believed were future-proof. Marketing, finance, writing, design, legal assistance, programming, research, administration, even parts of medicine and education are beginning to feel the pressure. And for younger generations, this creates an emotional crisis. Imagine spending 4 years at university, taking on massive student debt, working hard to build a career, only to discover that AI can suddenly perform large parts of your job faster and cheaper. That realization is terrifying, especially for graduates entering one of the most uncertain job markets in decades. Part 4. The invisible layoffs. The scary part is that many AI layoffs are not even announced publicly. Sometimes companies simply stop hiring. Sometimes entire departments quietly shrink. Sometimes workers are told to do more with less. And sometimes, employees slowly realize their workload is being handed over to AI tools, piece by piece. This creates a strange psychological environment. Because unlike traditional recessions, many people are still employed, but they no longer feel secure. And insecurity changes behavior. People stop spending, stop investing, stop taking risks, stop feeling optimistic about the future, and slowly, anxiety spreads through the economy. Part 5. The middle class feels the pressure. This is happening at the exact same time Americans are already struggling with rising living costs. Groceries feel expensive, housing feels impossible, insurance costs keep rising, restaurants feel luxurious, subscriptions quietly drain bank accounts every month. And now, millions of workers are beginning to fear for their future income too. This combination is dangerous because historically, middle-class stability is what keeps economies emotionally healthy. When ordinary people feel secure, they spend money. They plan families, they buy homes, they invest in the future. But when people feel uncertain, everything changes. And in 2026, uncertainty is spreading fast. Part 6. AI will also create winners. Now, to be fair, AI is not only destruction, it will also create enormous opportunities. Entire industries may emerge from this technological revolution. New businesses, new tools, new careers, new forms of productivity. Some experts believe AI could create one of the largest economic booms in history. But history also shows something important. Technological revolutions often create massive disruption before stability returns. And during those transition periods, many ordinary people suffer. That is why this moment feels so emotionally intense, because nobody truly knows what the final outcome will look like. Part 7. The psychological collapse. Perhaps the biggest danger is not AI itself. Perhaps the biggest danger is psychological, because many people are starting to feel replaceable. And that feeling changes society. Workers become anxious, students lose motivation, people stop trusting the future. And online, many pretend everything is normal. But underneath the surface, there is growing fear. Fear of falling behind, fear of becoming obsolete, fear that the economy is changing faster than human beings can emotionally process. And that fear may become one of the defining emotions of this decade. Part 8. What happens next? So what happens next? Nobody truly knows. Maybe AI creates a productivity boom that raises living standards for everyone. Maybe entirely new industries appear. Maybe society adapts successfully. Or maybe the transition becomes deeply painful. Because history shows something important. When technological change moves faster than social adaptation, instability often follows. And right now, AI is moving unbelievably fast. Faster than governments, faster than universities, faster than corporations themselves expected. Which means the next few years may reshape work forever. Maybe the scariest part of all this is not that machines are becoming smarter, it's that millions of people are beginning to question whether normal life itself is becoming less stable. And in 2026, that uncertainty is growing everywhere. The AI revolution may create incredible opportunities, but it may also force society to answer difficult questions humanity has never faced before. What happens when intelligence itself becomes automated? What happens when millions of workers no longer feel economically secure? And what happens to society when people stop believing the future will be better than the past? The AI layoff crisis may still be in its early stages. But one thing is becoming clear. The future of work is changing faster than most people realize, and the world may never look the same again. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of the economy, technology, and society, subscribe to Mindful Minds and Money, helping normal people understand an abnormal economy, because understanding the economy may soon become survival. Stay awake, stay aware. See you on the next one.